Hey guys, hope you're having a great day so far. I just wanted to shoot a quick tutorial and product review of Ammo NYC's Frothe Hoseless Lift. So what it is basically a waterless wash, and I have three uses for it. I'll show you the first use, which is basically what it's intended for is a waterless wash. So I got my brother's car here, it's black, and this is one reason why I really like this product is because it doesn't leave any streaks like some other products. So you just spray it on. Like so. And then spray it on the towel just to get a little bit extra lubrication. And then just wipe it off. This product is super slick. Then you can fold the towel and dry the paint. Put it on a little heavy, but that's okay. And if you want, you can grab another towel. Super awesome. As you can see, it's just drying up and not leaving any haze. It's pretty sweet stuff. Haven't found anything like it. And what's awesome about it is that it's a concentrate. So you can put, it calls for 3 ounces. So 6 of these bottle caps, just fill up the bottle cap and then put it in the aerator here. And then fill the rest up with water. So the second use I have for this product is taken to the car wash and using it as a dry aid. So what's awesome about it is, let's just say that your car is wet. So I'll wet this panel here. And normally if you leave your car paint wet after a car wash, especially a black car, you'll notice calcium deposit and just hard water spots. So this is great for drying, and it also provides a little bit of lubrication so you're not scratching your paint. So again, just get it wet. No. Sorry guys, don't have it pumped up enough. Usually takes me about 20 minutes to wash my car with this stuff. Grab a second towel. Just mop up the rest. So that's the second use. It looks pretty darn good, and because you got a little bit of that product on there, it'll dry without any haze or water spots. So I'll show you the third use, which is actually a clay bar lubricant. So let's go over to the panel over there and we'll spray some of this on there and we will clay it. And because this is a concentrate, it's pretty darn cheap. think it's like 35 bucks for the bottle of product, and it'll give you a lot of car washes. And of course, as you clean, knead it onto itself, like so. And then just dry the panel. And the stuff smells really good too. As you can see, it's drying really nicely. So just give me a like and subscribe. And if you guys could leave a comment below if you'd like to see more product reviews like this, or would like to see how-to videos or detailed transformation videos, leave me a comment down below. Thank you.